Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xiaomi Band 8 to an iPhone. First, head over to the Apple App Store and download the official MyFitness application. Before you begin, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on and that your Xiaomi Band 8 has at least 20% battery charge. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, ensuring your devices are ready to communicate effectively right from the start. Once the MyFitness app is installed, open it up and either log into your existing account or create a new one. Inside the app, you'll typically find an option to add device or a plus icon. Tap on this and then select Xiaomi Smart Band 8 from the list of available devices that appears. Your iPhone will then begin searching for your band, preparing for the next step in the connection process. After selecting your band, a pairing request will appear on both your iPhone and the Xiaomi Band 8. You'll need to confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. The app will then prompt you to grant necessary permissions, such as access to notifications and health data, which are essential for the band's full functionality. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your iPhone and the band, then repeat the pairing steps. With your Xiaomi Band 8 successfully connected, you can now explore the MyFitness app to customize your experience. Discover a wide array of watch faces, adjust notification settings, and set activity goals. Your band will automatically sync valuable health data, including your daily steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns, providing insightful information. Enjoy features like message alerts and comprehensive activity tracking, enhancing your daily routine with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.